Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do some underrated makeup by me. So don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's dive into it. So this is a brush. This is mascara. Can you see this? So before you start, make sure you clean your face very well. Take the brush, clean your face. Every edges that you feel there is water or you're feeling heat, just scrub it. So after that, you carry your powder and you clean those places that you've cleaned with the brush earlier. So once you're doing that, this will bring out more beauty in your face. So this is one of the things I use. That is mascara. I don't know what they call it in English. That is English name. So I just put a little bit on my hand, then I put it and I'll use brush this foam rather, touch it and start using it to touch my face bit by bit till every part of my face is being covered. I don't try, eh? See me, they do makeup, oh, they go here around. So after you've just put every place, both your eyes, all those edges you feel that something can at least show so that it will not come out shouty. You carry your eye pencil. It depends on what eye pencil your face matches with. Me, na jaga one I just carry brown. So if I took brown eye pencil, use it to shade where my eyebrow is. Can you see it? That's fine. Eh? So you carry this lipstick. I like red lipstick a lot, sha. Yeah, so you carry the red lipstick and rub your mouth, moisturize it very well. Use your lips to turn it and make sure that you don't have stain. As you can see, I'm using my phone to remove the stain that went beyond the lips. So see now, kissable lips. Can you see it? So I was doing that. Can you feel how it was showing very well on my face? After that, I was just dancing. So after you finish that, you take another powder again, then you moisturize the face so that it will blend with the makeup you've done. So before then, I did something on it, and after that, I just took the eye pencil to scrub and also the brush to rub the face so that it will blend. So that's it. After that, I now carry black eye pencil to shade that part. I used brown eye pencil to shade earlier, and I used to draw one straight line on my face. I can't resemble Ojuju Calabar. So after I finished that, I was just using it to carve those structure on my face to come out where I can't resemble those Yoruba people when they say power. Oh, see, fine boy, you fine man, woman. So after I finished that part, I now covered them with wig. Using wig to cover my face so that I see how it looks. But this wig fits me, sha. See the wig on my face, looking so nice. God know wetin dey do. This I can't be woman go high for TB. The men go suffer, sha. So I was using that one to brush the hair. You know all those wigs they do tangle. So I was using it to brush the hair, make sure that everything is fine. As you can see, so I just need to just button my chin. Let me see how I look, whether I look more beautiful or more handsome. So that's what I did to make my makeup on the underrated skill. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video to your friends and loved ones, and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about this underrated makeup. So thank you and see you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.
I got Plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in a